Saan na? Ganyan na. Lapit ka na lang.
The Singa. The Singa nila sang nila utama an imaginative adventurous king was restless by nature and wanted to travel to far away places. He loved hunting wild animals, so when he heard that there were stags in the jungle of Tanjong Bentam, which were not easy to hunt, he was excited and took with him a great fleet of ships to Tanjong Bentam. When the king arrived upon the island, he and his subjects had to a hunting expedition that lasted several hours, slaying many wild savage beasts, but no stops. This disappointed the king, for he had the sense of unfulfillment in his heart. Suddenly a large stag darted out of the bush in front of Sang Nila Utama, giving the king a shock. But the king drew the silver dagger and hurled it at the stag, only grazing the animals. The stag began to run, and the king pursued it. In those days, it was either your feet or nothing. The stag ran through the jungle and darted up a knoll. The king followed the stag up the hill, but upon reaching the summit, the stag was nowhere to be seen. There was a large rock, so the king climbed it. Looked at the land and sea spread out around him. In the distance, he saw a stretch of white sand, an island. Sang Nila Utama was fascinated by the sight of the island. He turned the one of his subject who had followed him. What he named of that island? The subject looked into the mist and smiled. That is Temasek, your highness. Then we are going there. The king ordered his fleet to set sails, and they began on their journey toward the island. Suddenly, the once clear blue skies were covered with black clouds. Heavy rain poured from them. Strong bursts of winds threatened to tear the ships apart. The ships carrying Sang-Nila Utama was in the very eye of a storm. The crew lowered the sails, started to bail the water from the ships, and get most of the cargo ferried at Sony. However, an idea came to the king's head. He remembered a story his grandfather told him of how one of his ancestors that became the Sea King, and that his crown was the only thing which belonged to his ancestors. He removed his crown immediately and threw it into the sea. All was storm to broke, and suddenly, as it started, the skies began to clear, and the crew gave a shout of joy and set sail once more to the islands of Temasek. When the king stepped upon the island, a creature stepped out of nowhere, and the king and his men were awestruck by the magnificent creature. It was large and moved with grace, had a black head covered in a furry mane, a whitish neck, and a red body. When the king drew his bow and arrow, the beast stared black at him with golden eyes, and let out of the penny jar before living in the jungle. What sort of animal was that? The king asked. A wise old man stepped forth. I have seen animals is imported from the far west. Perhaps this is a singer, but I wonder how it got all the way here. This must be a great place if it breeds such a beautiful animal. Let us live here on the island Singapore.
Very good. So, mag-spelling ka na.